Hello everyone! Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a water cycle project at home using simple materials. This project is fun, easy to make, and helps us understand the process of the water cycle in a creative way. So, let's get started. Step 1. Making the frame. First, take a piece of cardboard according to the required measurements. Then, take 6 more pieces of cardboard based on the measurements. Glue all the pieces together carefully, as shown in the video, to form a box shape. Now, cover the entire box neatly with blue-colored paper. Next, take another piece of cardboard and glue it. Place it on top of the box as shown in the video to create the background structure. Step 2. Making the water cycle wheel. Now, take a circular piece of cardboard according to the required measurements. Glue the printed water cycle template onto the circular cardboard. After that, place a transparent sheet over the circle according to its size. Stick small water icons on the transparent sheet to show the movement of water. Next, insert a board pin in the center of the circle. Attach the circle to the cardboard frame so it can rotate easily. Now, our water cycle project is ready. By rotating the wheel, we can clearly understand the main stages of the water cycle: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. This simple model makes learning science more interesting and interactive. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing DIY school projects. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.